Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
I
morning.
ma'am.
Madhu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. On the behalf of MIT B School, I Madhu Sharma welcome you all in the series of the case study sessions. Today we are here to present the case study how Indulekha is became a premium product for consumers and how its product becomes very popular and how HUL acquires this and it's a profitable acquisition for him. The presentation will be done by the Chester Rastogi, Chetna Singh, Bhumika Pal, and Ayushi Gupta. Now I would like to request my mentees to start the presentation.
Thank you, ma'am. A very wonderful good morning to all of you. Hope you all are fine and taking precaution for COVID 19. So, myself, Cheshta Rastogi, a management learner of MIT B School. Firstly, I would like to thank Madhu ma'am for giving me an auspicious opportunity to present a presentation in front of you. We have a team of four students, namely Cheshta Rastogi, Chetna Singh, Bhumika Pal, and Aishi Gupta. We prepared the presentation on the case study of Indulekha, which is acquired by the HL. Some of you are well aware about the Indulekha, but let me tell about once again it is a hair oil which is clinically certified. Now, I am going to start the presentation. Introduction. Indulekha is firstly introduced by the Masons Group, which is a Kerala based company established in 1976. Mr. Musa, who is the owner of the company, started non-descript desiccated coconut manufacturing unit. They are the manufacturers and the suppliers of coconut oil extraction. In 2000, for the first time in India, the company successfully produced extra virgin coconut oil, which accelerated the growth of the company. Next. The simple thought behind such an idea that why not make use the coconut as the new raw material. Now Mason's group is become successful to make virgin coconut oil. In 2008, Mr. Fiaz, who is the managing director of the company, took all the things in his hand. The group is committed to achieve its goal by uploading the highest level of integrity, transparency, innovation, and, commitment to its customer, teammates, associates, and the societies, where it has presence and focus on quality of the product. Next. Now the question is arise why Indulekha is made by Mosons. So Mr. Fayaz challenged himself to launch a premium hair oil in the Kerala market that was already flushed with the coconut hair oil. In 2008, Indulekha Hair launched by Mosons. Next. The product is categorized as 100% Ayurvedic. Indulekha hair oil is 100% Ayurvedic clinically proven. Indulekha is stressed on its main content, Bringa. You can massage by the Indulekha Bringa oil thrice in a week and you will get the best result. It is suitable for the scalp because it is pure 100% natural oil. Next. Now, the performance of the product in various markets. Now, basically, Indulekha hair oil have a strong presence in south parts of India like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka, and later on introduced in Maharashtra too. Indulekha hair having Ayurvedic properties, which is used as a medicine for hair fall. Indulekha enriched with the herbs Bringraj, which is known as Keshraj kings of hair in Ayurvedic grass. Thank you. Now I invite Bhumika to continue further.
Thank you, Cheshta. Myself, Bhumika Pal, and I am a management learner of MIT B School. And I'm gonna discuss main ingredients used in product. Indulekha is an Ayurvedic proprietary medicine for hair fall, enriched with Bringraj, a herb known in Ayurveda Granthas as Keshraj king of hair. Extracts of Bringraj plant are known for their medicinal properties that not only reduce hair fall but also revive and regenerate hair. Let us learn something more about its main active ingredient, Bringraj, or false daisy, and scientifically known as Eclipta alba, is a herb belonging to the sunflower family that mostly grows in plants of Thailand, China, Brazil, and India. The oil extracted from its leaves has a dark green color and a strong aroma. Bringraj oil is prepared by combining these herbs extract with an inactive carrier oil, that is coconut oil or sesame oil, and heating the mixture thoroughly. So next ingredient is amla. Amla is a rich source of vitamin C, known to increase blood circulation in the scalp and strengthens hair follicles. Next ingredient is almond, known as vatadha in Ayurveda. Rich source of protein known to maintain hair thickness and helps to keep the scalp nourished. And next ingredient is Shwetakutaja, known for antimicrobial and anti-dandruff properties, promotes healthy scalp free from diseases. Before moving on to the benefits of Indulekha hair oil, I'm gonna tell you what does the product claim. If Indulekha hair oil is applied thrice in a week continuously for 4 months, it grow new hair and reduce hair fall. So, hair benefits of Indulekha Bringa oil are: it enhances blood circulation throughout the scalp to make hair healthy and strong. It is rich in antioxidant vitamin E, which combats oxidative damage of hair and impedes its growth. And it may increase the number of hair follicles and prevent hair loss. Indulekha Bringa oil has a strong antimicrobial and antifungal properties that helps in reducing dandruff. And it may slow or prevent the premature graying process of hair by making it look darker. It softens the hair and adds luster to it, and keep scalp infections away with its anti-inflammatory properties. So, results after using Indulekha hair oil continuously for 4 months. As you can see clearly the results in the pictures. Indulekha Bringa oil is a safe, healthy, and completely natural remedy for controlling the rate of hair loss. It is suggested for all 3 stages of hair care, referred to in Ayurveda, namely Kesavardhanan or hair growth, Kesapatha Samanam or prevention of hair loss, and Palidam or prevention of premature graying. Packed with herbs such as bringa, amla, aloe vera, and neem, steeped in virgin coconut oil. This oil offers the following benefits: promotes new hair, reduces hair fall, fights with dandruff, prevents premature graying, and maintains healthy scalp. Now, innovation in product. Company was expanding their market across India. There were keen on focusing the product. Management has brainstormed over possible innovations for a product differentiator. And Indulekha was relaunched in 2014 with a unique selfie comb bottle that aids direct application of oil on the scalp. An innovation that was delighted consumers since its introduction. And bottle has a patent comb-shaped cap which has been popular since its launch, with sales rising at 30% pace. Thank you. Now I call Ayushi Gupta to continue further.
Thank you, Bhumika. Myself, Ayushi Gupta, I will further tell you about the brand. The hair care market is a key constituent of the Indian personal care sector and is witnessing steady growth owing to increased product penetration as well as expanding products portfolio. India is traditionally known for extensive use of hair oil. This product segment still holds a leading share of hair care market. The hair care market is estimated at around 170 billions in 2014. Hair oil market in India is noted for a high market penetration. The key players in the Indian hair oil market were Dabur, Bajaj Corporation, and Imami. Next. Seeing the growth and opportunities, many companies in the hair care market become active in the recent times. At that time, the actual turnover of Indulekha was 100 crores. HUL exited the hair oil category by selling the Nihar brand to Marico, tried to re-enter the category. HUL, after making its previous acquisition in marine products, has bought Indulekha and Vayodhya from the Kerala-based Monsoon Group. HUL noticed the performance of Indulekha in Maharashtra and did market research on it. To know more about the brand Indulekha, the CEO of HUL, Sanjeev Mehta, did market research. He went on a small trip to Chennai where he spoke to 25 people who had either used the brand or moved away from the brand. After speaking to all of them, he found out that the people who had moved away from the brand was because their needs or requirement had been fulfilled. After After doing market research, CEO Sanjeev Mehta was satisfied with the Indulekha's performance and decided to acquire the brand at any cost. After returning from the trip, he signed the deal with Monsoon Group for acquiring their brand Indulekha and Vayodhya. Hindustan Unilever on 17 December 2015 signed the agreement with Monsoon Groups to acquire Indulekha. HUL acquired Indulekha marking its entry into the premium natural segment. The deal involves acquisition of trademarks Indulekha and Vayodhya for a consideration of INR 330 crores payable upon closing of transactions and deferred consideration of 10% on the domestic turnover of the brand every year, payable annually for a period of 5 years. Next. Promotion of Indulekha is done through advertisement. Now I will invite Chetna to continue further.
Thank you, Ayushi. Now we see the
Chetna, there is echo from your side. Can anyone of you can continue on behalf of the Chetna? Chetna, off your mic, Vika.
okay.
Ayushi and Bhumika, can you continue for this?
Hello.
Hello.
Chetna, there is echo problem. Reduce your volume of mic. वॉल्यूम कम करके देखो एक बार, और कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट अगर आसपास है तो उसे हटाओ.
Ma'am, now I
It is possible you are joining from laptop too and also using your mobile phone. Join from
I'm on with another idea.
join on.
एक माइक ऑन रखो, कोई एक माइक ऑन रखो बस.
सिर्फ एक पॉइंट ऑन रखोगे ठीक रहेगा, अदरवाइज इको प्रॉब्लम विल कंटिन्यू. Speak from laptop, otherwise I will continue.
Good morning, everyone. Ma'am, please you continue the presentation.
Okay, beta. Move to the next slide.
मैम स्टूडेंट्स को बोल दीजिए किसी को.
Bhumika, can you continue?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Bhumika.
Indulekha Bringa oil. Clinically proven to grow new hair in 4 months, reduces hair fall, and power of 11 herbs and essential oil, cooked under natural sunlight for 7 days. Indulekha Bringa oil is 100% Ayurvedic oil recommended by Ayurvedic experts, and it is free from parabens, sulfates, silicons, and synthetic dyes, and artificial perfumes also. It is proven on real male and female consumers having mild to severe hair fall, and it is 100% natural fragrance and color. And Indulekha Bringa oil is proprietary Ayurvedic medicine. Indulekha Bringa shampoo, proprietary Ayurvedic medicine for hair fall, made with the power of 6 herbs and essential oil, contains with 9 full Bringraj plant extracts in every bottle, and does not contain parabens, synthetic dyes, and synthetic perfumes. No added color and fragrance, contains high herb content, and reduces hair fall, recommended by Ayurvedic experts, and contains hand-picked herbs.
Next.
Indulekha Neemraj oil. Indulekha Neemraj oil is clinically proven to treat dandruff, grow new hair in 4 months, and power of 12 herbs and essential oil cooked under natural sunlight for 7 days. And it is 100% Ayurvedic oil recommended by Ayurvedic experts, and free from parabens, sulfates, silicons, synthetic dyes, and artificial perfumes. Proven on real male and female consumers with dandruff and scalp problems, and it is 100% natural fragrance and color. Indulekha Neemraj shampoo, proprietary Ayurvedic medicine to reduce dandruff, clinically proven to reduce dandruff, and contains 150 fresh neem leaves in every bottle, and power of 5 essential oils and 3 herbs, and it is 100% natural color and fragrance, and free from parabens, synthetic dyes, and synthetic perfumes. Proven on real man and woman having dandruff problem. Turnover of Indulekha. CEO of HUL said against the rupees 350 crores paid 3 years back, Indulekha generated a business of rupees 400 crore annually. Moreover, from a regional brand with a strong presence in southern markets, it has expanded pan-India. Indulekha became a 2000 crore brand for HUL. Indulekha now generates a turnover of rupees 400 crore annually, and it is a rupees 2000 crore brand for HUL. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for your patience listening. It's all about the journey of the Indulekha, how a normal product, a coconut oil product, became a premium product for everyone. If you have any query, then let us know.